Hi guys, so I bought this chair around 2 months back from a website called amplechairs.co.in. I'll put that in my description below, for which I came to know about from a YouTube video. There were many chairs available on that website, and this is the one which I finally decided to purchase. So now in this video I'll try to review this chair with the experience that I had in these 2 months. So to cover all the aspects of the chair, this is the format which I'm gonna follow. First, I'll be discussing each part of the chair one by one, keeping 3 things in my mind. First is comfort of the chair, second how the build quality of each part of this chair is, and the third one will be how useful that part is as a user to me. Okay, and at last I'll try to give genuine rating to the product as per my experience with it. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Headrest. It is quite comfortable and I don't feel any tiredness or stiffness while relaxing my head on it. When it comes to quality, I would say it is above average and does what it's actually for. There are other chairs which have issues with stability of headrest, but with this chair it's not the case. The headrest is stable at any angle and height it is set to. Also, this is very useful, and when you are not typing or not using a mouse or keyboard, just want to sit and relax, or in my case thinking while stuck somewhere in my work. So let's move to backrest now. In my last chair I used to have a different shaped backrest, which I thought was comfortable, but after using this chair I got to know that how the last chair was ruining my back posture. This chair's backrest has a shaped which is bulging towards my lower back. I thought this was very uncomfortable at first, but after a few days I got to know that there is a reason why it is like this. It actually helps you to stay in natural shape by putting pressure on your lower back, which is good. If you talk about the quality, it is very good, and mesh fabric which is used is quite tough and will last you for years for sure. Although to keep in mind that mesh fabric of backrest and seat is not covered in the provided guarantee of 2 years. Okay, so let's move to the most controversial part of this chair, at least for me, which is armrest. So if we talk about comfort, it is very comfortable. The quality is also very good, and the material used here at the top is not very hard or soft. It is somewhere in the middle, and that's where it should be. It does have buttons to move up and down and can be rotated at angle of 45 degrees to both left and right. Plus it can be moved back and forth as well. Personally, I haven't used these customization much, but it is there. Also, I think if you don't need these customizations, then go for some other chair which doesn't have this. I mean, why to pay for features which you don't really need? Plus, if a part which can be moved in so many ways can hamper its build quality in the long run, because moving parts are not that durable than non-moving parts. That's what I think. Not take me wrong, it is still very comfortable. Now let's talk about lumbar support. It is very comfortable and gives a feel that there is a cushion on your lower back while sitting. It has a good quality mesh over it, and there is a knob at the back to set its height and depth. Personally, I never adjusted its depth or height much, but according to me it acts as the most important feature in this chair because it helped me to get rid of my back pain, which I used to have with my old chair. Okay, so the seat. It feels comfortable even when used for long hours and does keep me sweat free during hot days. The quality of the seat is good and meets my expectations. It is covered with mesh fabric. Stitching is also fine, and I haven't seen any signs of wear and tear yet. So wheels are good and slide very smoothly. They are made up of nylon and held together by a metallic base which is very strong. They are fine, but if there would have been a stopper into them, then that would have been really great, but I can't complain considering the price tag. So now let's talk about other features. There is a handle below the seat on the right side which can be used to adjust height and back. When moved outside, it unlocks the back, which can be locked at 3 angles. To increase height, move handle upwards without sitting on the chair, and to lower it down, just sit on it and move that handle upwards again. Also, there is a big knob below the seat at front, which can be used to adjust tension of back, which you'll feel when you are in unlock mode. Out of these features, most of the time I used back adjustments. While working, I keep my back straight as it helps me to focus and feel less tired. So I lock my back to 90-degree angle, and for relaxing I just unlock the back and make it free. So guys, while reviewing, I was adjusting lumbar support using the knob at the back. It is quite hard to rotate it, and while doing this I broke it. So I contacted Ample Sittings, and they told me that I need to send the whole back rest to them, and they'll repair it and send it back to me. So as the chair is under guarantee, it will be free of charge, but I have to pack it and will have to go to courier office for that. So to summarize, the chair is built strong and is very comfortable. From my experience, it is really good for the money it asks for. I bought this chair for 8,500 rupees, and it's giving me a good experience for that amount. I'm gonna rate this chair 8.5 out of 10. If you guys have anything in your mind, then please ask me in the comments, and if you happen to like this video, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with people who are looking for a chair during this lockdown. If you want to see what's included in the box, then do check my unboxing video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day guys. Bye.